What's up guys, Random Racer here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out the Ringke Air case for the all-new iPhone 10. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. So taking a closer look at these cases here, they are a TPU style case, not a hybrid style case. So for those of you who want something thinner than the Ringke Fusion case I reviewed, then this one is the way to go. They come in a few different colors. We have an all clear model here, as well as the smoky gray. Since the iPhone 10 hasn't been released yet, I did pick up a replica of the iPhone 10 here, which we can test out. You should go button side first, and it should just pop into place. So first off, I do have to say it's a very nice form-fitting case. It doesn't feel loose, and the fact that it's one whole piece of TPU rather than two separate pieces like a hybrid style case, it does look a lot more uniform because you don't have all those seams between the two different materials. Anyways, taking a quick overview of this case, starting off with the top here, we do have an excellent amount of top protection with the TPU material wrapping around the entire border of the phone. On the side here, we do have covers for your power button, volume rockers, as well as a cutout for the vibrate and ringer switch. The bottom has 3 individual cutouts for stereo speakers, mic, and lightning port. And lastly, on the back side here, you have the Ringke logo engraved on the bottom, a cutout for the camera, flash, and secondary microphone. And of course, the most highlighted feature of this case is the clear back that shows off the color of your phone, the Apple logo, as well as the iPhone logo. Overall guys, the initial impressions on this case, it's pretty nice. I mean, for $7.99, you really can't go wrong. It still gives you full-size case protection, and although it won't save your phone as much as an OtterBox would from a drop, it's still good enough as it still covers the sides as well as a bit of the top. Here's a look at the smoky gray model here, which probably would match a little nicer on the black iPhone. And you can see here it's still a translucent design, so you can still see the Apple logo as well as the iPhone logo. In terms of any cons or things that I don't like about this case, because it is all thermal plastic, the one thing I find with glossy thermal plastic is that they do attract fingerprints quite a bit. In conclusion guys, if you're looking for a thin TPU style case that's inexpensive yet still high quality, you definitely can't go wrong with the Ringke Air case. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions or comments about this case, ask away in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button, as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.